A strong storm hit Italy and the biggest snowfall in more than 5 years. 7 centimeters of snow fell in Fornaluche and a temperature of minus 2.4 degrees Celsius was recorded in the Sierra de Tramuntana mountain range. Several regions in Italy have also faced extreme weather warnings due to snowfall and frost, such as Le Marche and Emilia Romagna, where an orange warning was issued due to the weather posing a threat to people and property. The Palma Meteorological Service said that even more heavy snowfall is expected in more areas. Up to 10 centimeters will fall. Snow also fell in Mallorca at an altitude of more than 500 meters and in Ibiza at an altitude of 250 to 300 meters. La Vita Raya in Diretta reports that there are also warnings in Abruzzo, Basilicata, Campania, Calabria, Molise, Puglia and Umbria, as well as the risk of avalanches in the Lombard Alps and the Veneto Dolomites.
Ora questa è la situazione